Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor from the Mechanical Department, SNS College of Technology. So in this video series, we have been seeing about the solar. In the first video, we have seen why we are going for solar uh, as an alternative for the uh, fossil fuel or petroleum, natural gas, wood, and etc. So in that we have clearly explained why based on all the other energy source why we have been choosing solar. And in our second video we have seen uh, the applications of solar. So what are the applications? The solar is being incorporated and mostly in home appliances, and some of the industries are also using solars, and it's also in used in separating the salt from the seawater by the means of evaporation. And most renowned application is solar vehicles, so which is in a great uh, demand in this century. So now we are going to see what is an off grid and on grid. Okay, so normally in our home we know that we have a certain type of setup, like a meter board will be placed there, and we have some tubes, fans, or whatever the electrical appliances which we have been using. And these the power for these sources will be obtained from our government, right? So the government will produce our government have some power plants. It may be hydro power plant, thermal power plant, whatever it is, but they produce energy, and then they will supply the energy to us in a form of electricity. Okay, as a consumer, we pay our government for the amount of usage of electricity uh, directly. So this is how our system works. Okay, so there is no any intermediator or anything. So the government produce the electricity, and we get those electric current from the government, and we pay them in the form of money. So this is what we call it as an off-grid system is. Okay, so on-grid system is actually yeah, different, where mm, we have a separate solar panel which will maintain our own which is capable of producing own energy, that means in the form of electricity. Okay, so we have a set of solar equipments which will convert the solar energy into electrical energy, and then we make use of the energy which we have been created. Okay, this is what called on grid system. Okay, the first one which I have told is an off grid system, so this one is an on grid system. So in this we have an another benefit also. So here if for example, if I am using 1000 k of electricity, but I have been producing 1500 k of electricity, that means I have lot of power, which is almost more than our usage. So in that case, I can give it back to our government, which they will provide us a certain amount of money. So we are producing the current, and we are supporting the government. So the government is uh, compromising us with certain amount of money. So this is also is an other type of system. So in both when we compare the both, I think the solar plays a major role even in our home appliances, and in a certain period of years, most of us will always turn towards the solar energy. Okay, so this is what an on-grid and off-grid system is. Thank you.